लुट पुट गया कि मैं तो लुट पुट
Say something.
Twinkle twinkle it.
Play game.
So the first game we are going to play is Never Have I Ever. Never have I ever gone on more than one date in a day.
Oh, I have.
No.
I have.
More than one date in a day?
Yes.
More than one date with different people.
Yeah.
I've been on multiple dates at the same restaurant.
On the
in
same
the
day.
same day.
At the same time.
Like 1 hour gap.
What are you saying?
1 hour. So went on a date, got really bored, made plans to leave, called for a cab. Cab came, sat in the cab. Then as soon as I left, changed the location back to the hotel. So the cab went, took a U-turn, came and dropped me back in the hotel.
Oh wow.
Then I was texting someone else. I said, do you want to meet here? And that person came in like 45 minutes. I was at the hotel early. 2 dates back to back. The waiter was also very confused. Waiter was like, आप बिल भरना भूल गए क्या? नहीं भरा मैं वापस आ रहा हूँ एक और इंसान के साथ खाने.
Oh wow. And you've never gone? No. Never have I ever broken the law.
Oh, many times.
Next question. This asshole. Bastard.
Never have I
Hawaii, Hawaii.
ghosted someone.
Today only.
I have.
Also. I think this though everybody has.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I used to have this opening line I used to use on Bumble for guys whose name is Abhishek. So if I used to match with an Abhishek, I used to say, तो आराध्या को CBSE में डाले या ICSE में. And if the boy replied saying what, I would ghost.
Yeah, fair.
If the boy said ha ha ha, then I would talk.
Yeah, funny.
Yeah, funny, good line.
Funny,
Yeah.
good one.
Never have I ever.
Never Hawaii.
Okay. No. Said I love you when I didn't mean it.
Yeah.
What, yeah? You've said.
Yeah.
When you didn't mean it, you've said I love you.
Yeah.
I love you is so intense, yeah. Who says it without?
First girlfriend within like 3 weeks and all I'm saying.
Boys.
So Akash said it within 2 days.
Yeah, I don't think he meant
he
it.
didn't
but
mean it.
Shut up, he meant it. We are married. Now that's enough proof.
That's
after,
like luck.
Like after some time, he meant it.
No.
Yeah,
He
he's-
meant
the
it.
first
Dabhi.
time he said it, he didn't mean it.
No. Arey, I know na. Never have I ever gone on a blind date.
Never.
I have.
I've never gone.
You've gone on a blind
Yeah.
date?
And then?
No photo also. you've
Andhi thi wo
Nahi. No, I think like a friend
set you up.
set me up.
seen. Yeah, I figured that.
Yeah, so I
But you
went.
had not seen photo also. That I would
No,
never
I
have
didn't.
guts to do. Yeah.
I didn't.
Wow. And how is it?
Nice. We became friends.
Yuck. It was a very bad date. My lover has come, the one who said I love you in 2 days. Now I'll ask him, then you'll see also. Hi, my lover. Oh, and lover's best friend. Akshay, when you fell in love with me, when you.
It's recording.
There. Akshay, when you fell in love with me,
Day 3.
I said day 2. But day 3 he fell in love with me. Never have I ever gone out with a friend's ex.
Friends only, like not best friends. अरे फ्रेंड्स का तो हुआ ही होगा ना क्योंकि यार इतना छोटा सर्कल.
Oh, is it?
तू sugar है बात कर रहा ना.
No. Guys.
Never have I married a friend's ex.
Never have I ever been to a sex shop.
Have.
I have.
Same. We went together. Okay.
Oh, good.
Never have I ever faked an orgasm. Come on, dosto.
Guys can't also, no?
Yeah. What
Guys
we will
can't.
do?
So many. So many.
आकाश ज़्यादा बोल गया. Vlog पे बोल गया.
Never with Akash, okay? Akash is too good.
नहीं कर सकती यार.
Just shut me up. Never have I ever given or received a lap dance.
I have received.
Oh, I thought given.
You've given.
Tell me more.
I've not given, I've received. I've paid for it also.
Where?
We went
Amsterdam.
to Amsterdam. We all went. Are you against prostitution as a concept?
No,
Would you go to a prostitute?
I'm
Like if
pro
you
prostitution.
you're pro prostitute, yeah, you have
The way, yeah, he said, I'm with prostitute. Like that only he said. That pause after I am. Just fucking shut up. This vlog is never getting out.
But if you weren't married, would you go to a prostitute?
I wouldn't mind it, हाँ.
Naveed?
Yeah, if needs के लिए जाना है तो हाँ.
Not for
Needs
needs.
के लिए मतलब
Needs
क्या
है?
है? देखो
Need- you would
DOP
get-
DOP चाहिए तो तू जाएगा क्या? Needs मतलब क्या है?
Like I wouldn't want to go unless I'm not getting
नहीं,
laid.
Can
Yeah,
you-
obviously.
Relationship is a thing.
Okay, but imagine if it's like how long do you have to not get laid for you to want to go to a prostitute?
5 years.
5
wow.
years? That's damn long, bro.
Yeah.
I would go for kicks only.
Yeah, for same.
देखते तो है.
Like I would go to a prostitute and be like, kick me. I'm just like, मैं तो सिर्फ लात खाने के लिए जाता हूँ.
Never have I ever gone back to an ex.
I have.
I have. Today only.
This gag of his.
Today only.
I've gone back to an ex. Multiple times. Same ex.
Same ex.
Ever done walk of shame?
Yeah.
What?
Out of police station many times.
Like the only person witnessing was the girl's dog.
Girls dog के सामने what? That is.
That's the only walk.
चौड़ में चला होगा ना तू?
Yeah. भाई मैंने भी देखा है जो तूने देखा है. You?
Not really.
Yeah, his walk of shame was when he was walking down the aisle with you.
Funny, huh? Tanmay. Funny. Jokes and all. Good, good.
Good joke. Naveed laughed.
You laughed? You laughed. Don't laugh. Never have I ever had to hide a love bite.
Yeah.
No, I never. I have on many occasions pointed to my love bite and said, "देखा क्या love bite?"
What a boy behavior that is.
देखा क्या है? क्या है? And then two other boys will be like, कहाँ है? दिख नहीं रहा है. I'm like, अरे है bro, देखना ध्यान से.
मेरे को तो तन्मय ने ही पकड़ा है. एक AIB ऑफिस में एक दिन लव बैठ किया बोला क्या ये?
Then what did you say?
मैं बोला कि हाँ.
क्या काटा लड़की ने? बाइट है लव वाला.
Love वाला.
I too in college and all, and I had to go back home. I used to stay with parents. So once I said, and I've done pharmacy, so I said phenol गिर गया.
And they're like, phenol किस लड़की का नाम है? Never have I ever
Mooned someone,
moon meaning like showed
shown
them
your
my
ass crack,
like deliberately,
or whatever.
not deliberately तो lots of
Not deliberately, lot of times, huh? Tanmay has shown.
Today.
Today only Tanmay has shown. So much, yeah, this boy. I asked this so that we could bring it up and do an intervention.
Yeah. Can we discuss?
Yeah.
Can we discuss this?
Tanmay, can you just pull up your pants a little
You
bit?
can't even see my butt right now.
Right now, no.
Yeah.
But
I
5
think,
minutes
like-
ago, yes.
You need to
Yes.
first
We
get
care. We see it.
Don't look.
We don't plan on
You
looking.
get, like,
you literally.
tight boxers. We'll fund.
Do not look.
Tight.
Akash, please defend me.
Yeah.
Tight
It's
boxers.
Yeah.
your responsibility to not look.
Tomorrow
No, you can
I'll
look.
show my ass
But you can
all
ignore.
over this.
You can
And
Yeah,
not
we
comment
ignore
on it.
only. But now question came, so we're talking about.
Don't look. Honestly, if you've seen more than once, then you wanted to see it.
Never.
no.
It's true.
तो liberal
We
लोग हैं.
live
Freedom
together.
to take first
So
रहते
many
हैं.
people. I have never encountered someone who has shown me their butt so many times.
Honestly, feels like you're looking.
No. Naveed, are we looking?
Comes in your face. No?
Comes in our face and how?
And why are you guys smiling and drooling?
Disgusting. Intervention over. Used a handcuff or something similar.
These law-related questions, why you have to ask? Can you not ask? Excuse me.
Oh my! Has anyone walked in while you were having sex or making out? You guys?
Never. But like, there would be always knocking or like interrupting.
But parents know someone's inside.
Yeah,
What?
like
I didn't know your parents are this chill.
not my parents.
लिटपट गया, लिटपट गया,
Hilarious.
गया।
మెత్తో లుట్టు.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. I cannot imagine Mr. and Mrs. Mannu Kodan.
The boys moment has happened. Ay.
Slept with a co-worker.
Never.
Did I fuck Rohan ever?
Swimming pool.
Slept with a swimming pool. Done in a swimming pool? No.
You?
No.
Any water body, not swimming pool. Sea also we can do.
No.
Sea.
Nay.
I mean, does monsoons in Bombay count in general? All of Bombay is water
Floods.
body.
Like not sex, but हाँ.
Not sex.
Like हाँ वो सब तो.
Never have I ever thought a friend's baby was ugly.
Or a relative's baby.
Yeah.
You found all babies cute.
No, I'm sure many have been ugly. But I'm looking forward to your baby, Akash.
Why in this question only you had to say that?
I mean, you brought up a baby, so I just started talking about babies.
We would make great babies.
I'm sure.
Make.
No. Cut my own hair.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Cuts, huh, you guys have? You
yes,
all
yeah.
cut your own hair?
Yeah.
Oh, like you.
Yeah. वो तो ऑब्वियस है उसके लिए थोड़ी अर्बन क्लब बुलाएगा
why?
I even don't bother.
Hello, sir. So वो झाट के
Guys, just to give you context, 2:30 in the morning, that man has a bat in his hand and he is talking about jhat ke baare. This is our life now.
like the wow.
Audition for a reality TV show.
I have gone for Roadies audition.
You went for Roadies audition.
What?
है क्या?
Legendary.
Come on.
I didn't reach the. I went only till the group stage.
You didn't meet
Group-
Ranvijay?
I met them.
You
I
met
met
Ranvijay?
Pani and Ranvijay, but the interview.
Which season was this? 4.
I don't remember. This is 2012 in Bangalore.
Oh wow.
I was in college.
You went for Roadies audition?
Yeah.
What do you say? You want to be Roadie?
What was your group discussion का topic?
I don't remember. But group discussion में मेरे को पता चले क्या है मेरे को आगे जाना ही नहीं है.
चल.
I swear.
उससे पहले तेरे को नहीं पता था?
उसके पहले तो फॉर्म फिलअप था ना
What you
तो उसमें
thought?
मस्ती किया हम लोग.
उसमें क्या लिखा तू? Sex 2 times a week. ऐसे वैसे लिखा तू.
फॉर्म फिलअप में सब लोग मस्ती किया तो आगे चला गया.
Then why did you leave?
फट्टू बैठा हुआ मेरे सामने भाग जाए यहाँ से
मैं फट गया. It's like,
Dude,
हाँ,
I
चलो.
used to, like when Indian Idol season 1 happened, Abhijit Sawant won. I went and saw Abhijit Sawant perform at Planet M Andheri East.
That big a
station.
fan you are.
Massive fan. Through the next year when second Indian Idol was starting, I used to rehearse in front of the mirror. What I'll tell Anuji, what I'll tell Farah,
Insane.
like this and all.
Shall give one audition.
No.
Sing one song.
You know which song I want to sing?
Which one?
Do you know Tu Kaun Hai from that Lucky Ali song? Tu Kaun Hai. You know the song?
No.
कहाँ से तू आती है कहाँ को तू जाती है सपनों को सजाती है कोई कमेंट में बताओ यार कौन से पिक्चर का गाना है ये
अब मुंबई से बाहर जाओ. अब निकलो.
कम चियारिका सिट इन द मिडिल
Come.
Eaten dog or cat food?
I have
I've tried my dogs.
yeah eaten dude every
Like if-
evening
I have tried the biscuit.
Yeah. like if the dog has to eat it, like why can't I try
yeah exactly
to see what I'm giving my dog?
dude every evening and Shankar always catches me and he always laughs we make boiled egg for chat and there's like 4-5 eggs
That's
one
two
I
eggs.
eat one from his
But that is
no,
not dog
that's
food.
not
God.
exactly. Fuck you, dude.
People
Why
were
you
going
did it
for like
this?
Yeah.
chicken
we
liver and
also
everything.
Did, yeah, we also ate chicken and then the bone the dog ate. Chumma, why we'll get booked?
But no, I'm sure he has tried chat.
I have. There was Shankar once got new biscuits and he kept them on the terrace in the Bangalore house in one small bowl. And on the terrace, I was hungry and I'm looking for stuff and he kept it in a regular ass bowl that looks like it could be any food. So I thought it was some chakna. So I've taken one big fucking fistful I've tossed in my mouth.
How does it taste?
Yuck. Almost tasteless only to some degree. It was like some whatever. Then I spat it. I said, "What is this?" Then I went and asked Shankar Singh, "ये कितना पुराना है?" Like पुराना नहीं है सर, ये खुद का खाना है.
Never have I ever pretended to be someone else.
My whole life. They make it like
Googled
there's
my
no-
own name.
Huh?
Googled my own name.
Yeah.
Today.
What do you guys Google? Like Tanmay Bhatt what? If you
News.
had to. Tanmay Bhatt news.
Dude,
Tanmay Bhatt affairs.
I have.
He searched for affairs.
Tell us also, Tanmay, what are these affairs?
Dude, no one thinks I'm having an affair with anyone. It's very sad.
That's why he
If
keeps
we write
searching and
Tanmay
checking.
Bhatt, what comes?
ये है क्या कुछ?
Make it the most popular search.
What is the latest news story about me?
Tanmay Bhatt. Oh, you know what is the most asked question? Is Tanmay Bhatt related to Alia Bhatt?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
No! And it's in caps.
I think Alia.
Alia Bhatt surname Bhatt.
Alia wrote it.
Alia Bhatt surname Bhatt is Gujarati. Hence, that makes her Gujju. Tanmay Bhatt is not Gujarati. He's Kannadiga, I think that's what. Who is BFF of Alia Bhatt? Then they just
It's not about you anymore.
they just give up on Tanmay Bhatt. That's enough. We have moved on. Never have I ever fancied a friend's parent.
Arey, but Ashu's mom still got it.
Don't go on my mom.
Sub auntie.
Don't go on my mom.
It's like beside.
Have you seen my dad? My dad can fight.
Oh, I
He's
thought.
Hariharan.
Something about the way you smile. I may never know the reason.
Ma, stop
why.
watching right now. Shut it. I'm telling you, shut the TV.
Oh Jana, निगाहों में है कैसा ये नशा. Something
That's my mom you're talking to. Okay, laughed so hard I peed myself.
Yeah, this I also have.
You know when? For me,
Please tell camera. Please tell.
when I was in college, I stood in a line for like 3 hours to watch a comedy show, and I went, and it turns out to be Tanmay's show.
Of course.
And
that's why
I-
he wants you to tell the story.
I legit peed my pants. I peed.
So
Not
like-
only Tanmay, even full AIB was there.
Right.
But given a fake number,
Yeah.
every mall I have gone to.
Every building I have gone to in the register, I put a new
yes.
number.
I'm
New
sorry,
number I put.
Mr. Khandesh, whoever has gotten calls
Yeah.
because of me.
I write purpose of visit में तेरे को क्या?
Such a child.
I write तेरे को क्या?
Yeah,
I write
what
in
a
English
useless.
like a fancy cursive writing, so it looks like something official.
What a boy.
Yeah.
Dropped my phone in the toilet.
I have.
And then you picked it up.
Yeah.
Was it like a used?
Ah,
like
Not used.
Did it have potty?
It had nothing.
Oh my god.
And
Sure.
then how you cleaned it?
Used a pickup line.
Yeah.
Tell one pickup line that you like.
But I don't think I like even one. But the cringiest one I've heard, most cliche one, is did you scrape your knee falling from
Heaven.
Heaven.
No, is your father a terrorist? Because you're the bomb.
Yeah.
Or is he a baker? Because you've got those buns. Have you not
Someone
heard
has said
these
this to
things?
you?
Yeah, bro.
What rubbish.
I've lived in LA for 4 years,
Oh,
bro.
fair.
Oh.
Like they use all these disgusting ones only.
In Bombay, तो you get like this only. आती क्या, चलती क्या.
My favorite pickup line is Boss! Boss!
Catfish someone.
Yeah.
Catfish has
I got
pretend to be
catfished.
what? You got catfished?
Yeah.
By whom?
Okay.
If I knew.
How do you know you got catfished?
Like after a point, I figured this dude talking.
Oh, wow.
That was a fun one we pulled, ना आकाश? मजा तो आया उस वक्त यार, मजा तो आया.
Texted an ex out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Out of nowhere.
मैं और नवीन बहुत फटाफट.
Yeah.
बहुत casually. Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
They're not replying, but I text.
Do you actually?
I text. No, no, it's her fault. Display has gone missing. DP is not there only. But I said
Facebook is
she's changed her name to Instagram user. And I'm okay with it. I'm like, yeah, she's Instagram user. It's a good name. Done?
Yes.
Alright. GG's everyone. It's 5 a.m. We're going to sleep. Good night to everyone.
Do not talk to my mother.
And don't talk about my
Yeah,
parents.
and
Don't talk to
don't ever come
Leave
to
us
my
alone.
house.
You know who you are. To that special someone out there.
Oh my god.
Ma, shut the TV right away. Ma.
Auntie, break the TV. It's fine.